Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So now I just set up my face recognition here, and now I'll try to unlock the device just with my face, and we'll see does this feature work and how fast is it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. This is the really good result for the face unlock method. So I'll just want to try one more thing. I want to wear the glasses because I set up the face recognition without of them. So let's just try one more time to unlock the device with the glasses. So that's also work here perfect, just we have no any problems with it. So I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than passcode, pin code or pattern, so be careful with it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.